Look at this. Look at that gap. Be messing with the brakes on the ramp truck here today. The reason being is the calipers are rattling. And it's annoying when you're going down the road. And it makes you, it sounds like you're driving a hoopty. Now this here should be the fix. These new wedges and springs, spring clips. Now hopefully those spring clips ain't in it, or they lost their tension. Because if there's another reason why it's rattling, you might have some major problems. Hopefully they didn't wear the spindles. We'll look at it here and see what's going on. Okay, got the wheel off. I was looking at the caliper. That's what it's doing. I need to take that out. Grab that wedge out. See what's going on there. I got the wedge out. It does look like it has some wear on it. Spring clips in there. So I don't know what the problem is. Hopefully the spindles ain't wore. All that rattling around, I might have wore those off. Wore them out. All I can do is stick the new ones in and see what it does. No, my luck, it's still gonna rattle. We'll find out, I guess. Well, I came up for a solution to the problem of that not putting the right pressure on it. It needs this shim in there. And that makes it nice and tight. But not too tight, you can't get the wedge in and out. Maybe I should tack weld that to it so it doesn't fall out. Which it might fall out, which I might do that. Yeah, I got that tack welded in there. I beveled it on that end so it slides in easy about that far back. But I already test fit it and it worked good. It's nice and tight. I'll get that in there. I'll be done with this side. And then we'll go on the other side. Alright, caliper's back on, the wedge is in. She's a lot tighter now. There's just a little bit of movement to it, but it's way better than it was, and hopefully it doesn't rattle. Now, what's wore? I don't know. The caliper could be wore. Spindle could be wore. Could be wore down there. You could weld that up down there if you wanted to raise that up and make it tighter, but I'm not getting that technical today. I'll get the wheel on and get over the other side. It's getting dark. Hopefully I can get this done before it's dark. Alright, got the driver's side wheel off. And this side is worse than the other side. Look at this. Look at that gap. Right there. That's why she's rattling. So I'll get this side off and see if I can fix it. And the metal I cut for the other side might not be thick enough on this side. Alright, I decided that that piece of steel would be the right thickness for this side, and I got it tack welded on. Now I just need to stick it in, the caliper, and hopefully I can stick the wheel back on and it'll be good to go. I'll be done messing with the brakes. And of course I'm out here in the dark again. Put the lights off. It's dark. Alright, it's back on. Put the wedge in. Bolts tightened down, and the caliper seems tight. I can't get it to rattle. So, I guess I'm done. So if your wedge style calipers are rattling, that is the way to fix it. Might not be the right way or the correct way. That's how I did it. Hit the wheel back on, go for a drive, see if I hear any weird noises. I did get a front bumper the other day at the junkyard. It's better than that one. And I got a push bar on stick on the front. There's a bunch of other stuff I need to address on this truck. Now the brakes are finished. It should be good to go. I'm going to go for a test drive here, see if I hear any weird stuff. Now I decided to go for a drive. It's dark. So far I haven't really heard any rattles. The road's fairly rough too. See the camera shaking around. It's pretty rough road, gravel. A lot of washboard on it. I'm confident it's fixed. I didn't hear. I mean, before it'd be rattle, 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 real bad. Annoying bad. So that should do it. If you enjoyed, subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.
Hey guys, it's CC here. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.